Hey everybody, welcome back to the Printing Workshop. I'm Matthew and today I'm going to show you how to change a waste container on a Xerox Altalink B8200 series copier.
First thing you're going to want to do is open the front cover. In the lower right hand corner is your R5 or your toner waste container. You're going to grab the orange handle and just pull straight out. On top of it is another orange handle. You'll grab it and you want to hold it level. And be very careful because it can be messy because there's a little door here where the waste toner goes in. So you want to be careful not to tip it or lean it anyway, or you'll have black toner spill everywhere. Now to go back in, it's just as simple as it came out. You'll insert the container and you'll slide it right back in until it clicks. If you want to learn more common fixes on this same model, click here. If you'd like to see more quick how-to videos on other Xerox products, subscribe to our channel.